Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share a case study about one of my recent project. On the project I have set up GA4 and metapixel conversion tracking for my client. So let me share my experience with it. Alright, I hope you see my screen. First of all I want to share with you some data, that is the website platform, then tracking tools, then events or conversion list. So the the website platform is Kajabi. This is a Kajabi website. Then tracking tools is Google Analytics for server-side, then metapixel and meta conversion API. Then conversion list I have set up the view content, or you can call also product view, then checkout, then from submission, newsletter subscription, page load, page time spent, then scroll depth and the purchase. Okay, let me share Google Tag Manager to show you the data. So this is Google Tag Manager, the web container, and this one the server container. I have already set up both the server side tracking and the client side tracking. Okay, at first I want to show you the metapixel data. So let me search with pixel. Yeah, I found the same text here. For example, the checkout, the configuration, the lead, the newsletter, the purchase, and so on. Okay, then I want to show you the server tag. So those are the server tag for the server side tracking, and pixel for the metapixel. Then I want to go to the GTM server container. Let me go to the client. I have the client, GA4 client. Then I have some tags for the GA4 conversion tracking and for the meta conversion API. Okay, so you see, let me search with GA4. So this is for GA4, and single tag will send all the events. Okay, let me show you the trigger. Yeah, those are the triggers. Then let me show you the meta, the pixel, the meta pixel. Then I see I have 8 tags and 1 text for one event or conversion. Okay, so this one for checkout, same as the web container. This one for the checkout, this one for the configuration, then lead, then newsletter, purchase, scroll, timer, and view content. Okay, so you already see that I have the data. Okay, now I wanna preview to show you the data. So at first let me preview from the server side, then I will also show you the client side. Okay, so let me start. Yeah, the server side is loading. Yeah, it is connected. Okay, now I gonna preview from the client side. So let me preview. Then I have to put the URL here, the website URL here. This is the website, and let me connect. And I will show you just 3 events because this is limited time here. Okay, so it is connecting. Yeah, it is connecting, and I guess it is connected already. Let me check. No, it is connecting. Okay, yeah, it is connected, and I see it is getting the data. Yeah, the scroll depth, the everything is coming. Okay, so at first I will show you the scroll depth. Okay, what I have configured. Okay, let me search with scroll depth. Yeah, I have configured the 3 events here. When people scroll 25%, then 50%, then 100%. Okay, so let me check the data. Okay, let me scroll 100%. Yeah, okay, I see the 4 event here. So at first check the first scroll depth, and I see here the variable is sending 25%. Okay, great, and the tag is firing also. Yeah, this is for server and this is for the pixel. Okay, it is sending score 25. Also this one is 25. Yeah, then it is for 50, then it is for 100%. Yeah, so you see this is working. Then I also have a tag for timer. So let me check the timer. Okay, on timer I have 3 times. I have set up 3 times here. The 1 minute, the 3 minute maybe, then 5 minutes. Yeah, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. So when people spend 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute, GA4 and Facebook pixel count the data. Okay, so let me check. We can also check it from here. Yeah, timer 1 minute, then also here. Yeah, timer 1 minute. If we wait 3 minutes and 5 minutes, the second and third event will come. Okay, but I don't want to wait for the long time. Then I will share with you the view content. So let me go to the product page. Yeah, my library. Then I wanna go to the product page to show you the data. Okay, here, yeah, this one I wanna share. So let me go to the product page, and here the view content or view item should be fire. So let me check Windows load. Yeah, I see Facebook pixel view content and GA4 view item fired. So let me check the data. Okay, let me check the event name. Event name is, oh, this is standard event, and event name is view item. Great. Then yeah, view item. Okay, I hope everything is working from the client side. Then I wanna share the same data on the server side. Okay, so let me share the data. Okay, right now I am on the preview mode, and I see the timer, then in user engagement, page view is called, everything is coming. So it is working perfectly. And I said before, this is a Kajabi website, and let me show you. So this is the Kajabi website, and I can show you with a plugin, that is Optimizer. Okay, and you see this is Kajabi e-commerce platform. Okay, nice. I think you got all my points, but if you have any question, you can comment me, or if you need this kind of service, you can just send me message on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.